Hey guys, it's time to showcase another painting. I have a 10" by 10" canvas here with one of my beautiful flowers on it. And we're going to get up close so you can see all the gorgeous details and all the beautiful shimmer from the metallic paints. It has been sealed with numerous coats of hard body top coat that dries hard like resin after you apply numerous coats like I do. This one's a real dazzler. Unusual colors. I don't think you will see another one like it. I do not know what I'm going to call it as far as a title goes. If you have any suggestions, please leave it in the comments. It will be added to my Etsy shop, so be sure to check that out. I will be seeing you again soon for another paint party. Until then, take care. Bye.